Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A17 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change pin lock password to pattern lock password in your phone Samsung Galaxy A17 5G. I lock my phone and try to unlock. It will ask my pin. My pin is 1992. I give my pin. You have to give your own pin to open your phone. That is unlocking your phone. So if you would like to change from this pin to any other pattern password, yes, you can do it. What you have to do, just click on the settings here, then go to lock screen and here choose screen lock and biometrics, and here you have to again give the current pin for authentication and confirmation. So give 1992 in my case. In case your phone pin will be different as you have set previously. Okay, so give it, then click on pattern here to change. Now you have to draw any pattern that you would like to set. I just draw this pattern, and again you have to draw the same this pattern. Okay, click on continue, again draw the same one to confirm, and click on confirm. Yes, now it will be registered and confirmed, and your pin has been changed to the new pattern. Okay, now lock your phone and try to unlock your phone. It will ask your pattern, give the pattern that you have set. So in this way you can easily change from pin to pattern, that is pin lock screen password to pattern lock screen password in your phone Samsung Galaxy A17 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching. If you would like to help other people, just consider sharing this video to them so that they will also get benefited using this. Okay, that's all. Bye.